Modern visuals always feel stronger when framing and spacing are handled with precision. Today, how to design modern visuals. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert a main rectangular frame slightly off-center and place your image inside, adjusting it carefully. Add a second smaller frame on the opposite side for balance. Select the background and apply a soft gradient or neutral tone. Duplicate the main frame and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a subtle layered effect. Add thin line elements or shapes with low opacity to enhance depth. Use position tools to align everything while maintaining slight offsets for style. Add minimal text